Hi, and welcome to another video in our introduction series for SAP Analytics Cloud Trial Edition. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use planning functionalities to create a predictive forecast on a table. To take advantage of the planning features in SAP Analytics Cloud, start with creating a planning model. Now, the process is similar to creating a data model for analytics. And if you're not sure how to do that, you can check the Create a Model video in our playlist for more details. So for now, on the home page, just click the main menu. Go to Create and click on Model. For this specific example, I'll import the data from a local file on my computer. I'm going to use the same Best Run Corp retail dataset that I've used in previous videos from this series. Within the model page, I want to make sure that the time dimension is set up correctly. Now, this is the dimension that's used to enable the planning model. SAP Analytics Cloud automatically distinguishes between measures and dimensions, but it's always good to double check it. If changes are needed, just click on the Details panel and make them. Staying in the Details panel, I click on the model icon and scroll down to the Model Options section and tick the Enable Planning box. This will allow the model to be used for planning purposes. I'll name and save the model. Then I click OK and the planning model is ready to use. Now that the planning model is ready, let's create the story. To do this, I select Add a Canvas page and then Add a Table. I'll choose the Best Run Corp retail planning model that was just created. This will display the data that was uploaded. At this stage, I can add more dimensions to the rows and to the columns. I can drill down, filter, and execute planning functions as well. On the grid, I'm going to select the desired account and create the new forecast. In this case, it's T-shirts for 2019. To do this, I just need to click on the arrow icon. In this example, I want to create a forecast by month and choose the time period to generate planning values for. I can also choose the starting point where SAC begins to predict the new values. This will display a preview of the forecast and time series chart with the historic values from the data sources as well as the predicted values from the forecast calculation. The shaded area shows the confidence interval. Passing the cursor over the data points will show us more details. Once the preview is confirmed, the values will be populated for the selected account and for the selected time period. So I'm going to leave it there for now, but as always, stay tuned for more introduction videos on SAP Analytics Cloud. Thanks for watching.